So there are musician's earplugs which will preserve the natural subtleties of music, but just lower the overall volume so you can enjoy the music better. After you leave a concert or loud noise, you may notice that your ears feel full, they feel a bit numb, or you may get some ringing or buzzing in your ears. So it's what we call a temporary threshold shift, so you're experiencing some temporary hearing loss, but after repeated exposure, you may end up with some permanent hearing loss.